So here we have the BMW 320i convertible on a 59 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. I'll show you inside the boot space first of all. Approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. So to put the roof down, which I'm going to do in a moment when we run through the controls, it will sit on top of this section here. You can lift this out the way should you wish to give you your full boot space, which you see there. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the steering wheel controls. So we have our stereo and phone controls on here. The stereo itself is over in the centre above the climate control, which we'll come back to in just a moment. So you can see that you're able to access your CD and multimedia. We've got auxiliary input available just there. We've also got our CD player, of course. The movement that you see me making on the screen is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial, but the buttons that surround it will take you into certain menus directly as well, of course. So back up to here, we can access our radio. You can see that this car has got FM and AM radio available. We've also got satellite navigation as well. Really nice, clear colour display. It's a very easy system to use. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside, and then dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so you can turn that off or back on again, or just hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. You can override that whenever you wish to. We've got our CD player, the main volume for the stereo. A couple of controls there, so you can skip tracks as well. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the iDrive system, which we went through just a moment ago, and the button for the roof, which we're going to do now. Okay, so lift that button up, i.e. sort of towards the back of the car, and all of the windows will go down. The windows will stay down if you want them to, but the roof will now start folding into the tailgate, which has just opened up. If you keep your finger on the button after the tailgate closes, the windows will go up. If you let go of it now, then they will remain down. What that leads me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.